Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to totally disassemble the M1 Garand trigger housing. The hammer is cocked right now. We're going to uncock it. It's got a pretty stiff spring here on your hammer spring. Got two pins we got to remove. Got the hammer pin, we got the sear pin. This has got a lot of pressure on it, so you have to ease the pressure off. Then your trigger housing group will totally come apart. Then we want to remove our hammer. About halfway down, it should come right out pretty easy. Then we want to remove our safety. It's got a little pin right there. Just pull it toward the center of it. It should lift right out. Now to remove your trigger guard, unlatch it. Now we want to remove our ejector spring. Now let's put it back together. We're going to do our ejector spring first. You've got a little tab right here sticking up. And how you want to do it, you want to hold down on this part of the spring, and then on the back part you've got to pull it this in and down at the same time. It's kind of stiff. Yeah, it'll pop in pretty easy. Then you want to take your trigger guard, line up your hole here. You can see on your pin, it's got one end, just a little bit of a lip on it. It'll only go in one way, flush it up. Now we'll put our safety in. You can see it's got a little tit on it. It goes in that hole. It'll go in and set down on top of the ejector spring, so it's going to have some pressure to it. But it'll snap in pretty quick and easy. Now we got our safety in. We're going to remove our pin from our trigger guard and reinstall our hammer. Now we're going to install the trigger and the hammer spring, sear. Whenever you go to put your trigger in, you've got a hook on it. That's going to sit just like that. And whenever you go to put your trigger spring housing in, the cutout goes toward the safety. You can do this by hand, but the spring is it's got a lot of pressure on it. I like using a clamp. It should be flush. And you want to check your safety, make sure it works. Hey guys, I appreciate you watching.